what to do now? If you have too much pressure, will you quit?
Impossible, sir.
Okay. So, what you are seeing now, Tamjid?
I'm seeing three PDF files.
Now,
Physics Mania.
yeah, your worksheet too, right?
Yes, this is Worksheet 2.
So, I told you you have all correct except 3 MCQs, 8.
Sir, 8-1 was a silly mistake.
Yeah, they are doing this intentionally. Okay, you people are entrapped. Okay,
Hmm.
you are getting x-axis, y-axis, but you are not checking that in x-axis it cannot be distance.
Yes.
Should be time.
Hmm.
So they are
C.
playing with you, right?
Yes. Very bad.
Yeah, they are very bad, and in some cases they are very good. They are making you more careful. Yeah, this one, 13.
Hmm.
13, you have non-uniform in 2 places, not 1.
Sir, they said acceleration.
Yeah, as deceleration is also negative acceleration.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Okay, so this one and this one, okay, these two.
Hmm.
So the answer should be C, right? So in your
Hmm.
worksheet, uh, you gave that one, like B you gave, you cross this one, you don't rub it. You keep it there, you cross it, then again round C, so that you can understand. Yes, once you did mistake here. Huh?
Sir, I did it with pencil, so no problem.
No, no, I want it. Whatever you are doing with pencil or pen,
Hmm.
whatever, you keep it and give their cross. It's for you only, so that
Hmm.
you can understand that once you did this type of questions wrong, incorrect, you can
Hmm.
recall that. Okay, while you
Hmm.
will revise, it will help you. Okay,
Hmm.
because those which are correct, those are fine. You do not revise everything, but which one you
Hmm.
did mistake, if you keep it there, then during revision it will help you to make your concept more profound. Clear?
Hmm.
This type of similar mistakes will not do again. Otherwise you will
Inshallah, sir.
forget. Otherwise you will forget. Okay, 14. 14 is C. The correct answer
Hmm.
is C. Because of viscosity, the acceleration will decrease. Because of the drag force or the resistive force of the liquid, it will
Hmm.
decrease.
But sir, in order to move to the bottom, there should be some acceleration.
Always, acceleration of free fall is starting from where you are dropping it.
Hmm.
Okay, so it's there. It is 10 meter per second square at the beginning. So after first few centimeters of travel, then it will decrease. It will no more 10 meter per second square. Because of the resistive force, it will decrease. Speed will still increase, but the acceleration will less. It will be decreasing, and at once the acceleration will be zero when
Hmm.
the resistive force and the weight equals. Okay,
Hmm.
that's
Sir,
the idea.
sir, can you just, I mean, like, repeat the explanation one more time? I'm just writing the notes.
Yeah, this is thick oil, right? Thick oil, so there will be strong resistive force, right?
Hmm.
And because of this resistive force or drag force, the acceleration of free fall, the one we are getting in the beginning, while you drop the steel ball
Hmm.
or release the steel ball uh, for the first time at the top of the oil, and that time it starts moving, you have the acceleration 10 meter per second square.
Hmm.
So once it is moving down, then it experiences resistive force from the oil,
Hmm. Okay, sir.
and when it facing this resistive force, that means uh, there will be decrease in acceleration, right?
Yes.
That's why we are writing a decreasing. Okay, so you give here C as the circle, and here give you cross, 14 cross. Okay,
Yes.
here you can write the notes. What I told at the beginning, the acceleration is 10 meter per second square,
Hmm.
and then uh, it decreases due to viscous force or drag force. So this one is done, right? 14.
Yes.
Now this is fine. Thank you that you did this one correctly. Now here, one thing you do it correctly. You keep it here. This one just cross or just give a straight line here on this curve. That this instead of this word, you will write graph under the graph, not curve. Here we don't have any curve line.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just you write graph.
Hmm.
Now this one, what you wrote, I think it's incomplete. After
Okay.
this, before and you should add some more information.
Hmm.
I think you have in your mind that one, but during writing it, you missed it. Can you
Oh.
read it
Okay.
and check that all the things
Yes.
you thought that one is came or is, something is missing there?
Um. Them explain in terms of weights and masses why their accelerations are equal. The magnitude of gravitational acceleration of the Earth, uh,
Depends on
oh yeah,
depends on
depends on
its mass,
the
right?
its
So
mass.
here we are
Yes.
not dealing with the earth. Here we are dealing with the moon. Ah, so here you instead of earth you write about moon.
Okay. Too much silly mistakes. I'm very silly.
Hmm. Be careful about this.
Depends on, it the magnitude of gravitational acceleration of the moon depends on the mass of the moon, and not on mass of the object. So this means that the feather and the hammer will fall at a same rate, uh, neglecting air resistance,
The other things
even
are
though they.
fine, but the first before and you do the correction. The other things are
Uh,
fine. Okay, and
yes.
later on when uh, you will be done with some more topics, then I will if you are done with topic 4, then I will give add some more information here. Right? Till now it's fine for you. Okay. You just remind me that time. Okay, that sir, you told me about kinematics worksheet question number 2. You told that you will add something about that. Then I will add. Okay, not now. The other things are fine. Question 2, question 3, question 3 is also fine. No? Hmm. So you can also find it in centimeter per second. Okay, here
Hmm.
you wrote in meter
Meter per
per
second.
second. You if you write your answer in centimeter per second, no problem. Okay, you do not need to convert like 100 centimeter minus 20 centimeter divided by 2, then 40. Yeah, it will come 40, right? 40
Hmm.
centimeter per second. Then this one, all these are fine. Here, the last point, you better write the time to reach maximum height. This way, right? Not don't write this way. The value of t. You make it more specific. Okay,
Hmm.
time to reach maximum height. This way.
Hmm. Will be less than 3 seconds.
Okay, done. Other things are fine. Just this part. First part you write that way. The time to reach maximum height will be less than 3 seconds. So worksheet 2 is done. Huh?
Hmm. Yes.
Now we can go for worksheet 3. Worksheet 3, I told that only MCQ 10 you have problem. Other MCQs are correct.
Hmm. 10. Oh,
10.
yeah, 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 yeah. I was also having a problem with that time.
10, it should be A. It's third low pair. Huh?
Yes, sir. The thing is that if it is equal, how will the ball move? I mean, like the
Ball will,
ball in order.
ball will, the ball is getting the force, equal and opposite force from your kick. That's why it's moving.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
The ball is, is one type of elastic thing, right? It's not
Hmm.
like wall, rigid thing. Okay, so if you get something elastic, then it will then move away. There is another step, the ball is getting opposite equal force, and according to the there is one idea of momentum.
Hmm.
Uh, that is mv minus mu by t. Huh? rate of change of momentum. So rate of change of momentum is force. So here the ball has mass less than you, right?
Yes.
So momentum will be conserved. So the way it's getting equal force, but there is you know momentum is also conserved, but there is mass smaller in the ball. That's why it's getting more velocity, right? That's why it's moving back. It's related to momentum.
Okay.
Here too,
Yes.
in your syllabus there is no momentum, but IG syllabus there was momentum, and also
Hmm.
in level you'll get momentum. Okay,
Yes.
so the answer should be A.
Hmm.
Now structured part I couldn't check. Now I'm checking in front of you. It will not take so much time. Only a few questions, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, there is. Okay. So here you got 91 Newton, right?
Hmm.
Let me check this one. Yeah, this answer is 91 Newton. Okay, alright. So here you got 91 Newton, then yeah, it's okay, it's fine. Question one is very easy, right? And question two also.
Hmm. Yeah. Just
You are
narrow.
showing the arrow, yeah, towards the center of the circle. Speed is a scalar quantity. Okay, this one you should write. Uh, one thing I told you that day. Why is experienced acceleration? Because in linear motion we get acceleration because the magnitude of the velocity changes, right?
Hmm.
Like it is increasing or decreasing, right? Velocity.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's why we are getting acceleration. In in circular motion, we are getting acceleration because not for because the magnitude of the velocity changes. Rather, it's for changing the direction of velocity. Okay, so write this. In circular motion, we get acceleration due to change of direction of velocity.
So in circular motion,
We get acceleration
we get acceleration.
due to change of direction of velocity.
Okay.
Clear now? Okay, then this part is over. In last class, I told you this. Maybe you forgot. In recording, did you check it?
Okay.
In recording, you can find it. Okay, then C. Can you read the question?
Yes. As the satellite orbits the Earth, it experiences a force due to gravitational attraction. State it and explain whether this force does work on the satellite and whether the energy of the satellite is affected.
Actually, this one is related to work done. Okay, when we'll go through topic 8, it will be
Hmm.
more clear to you. However, now I am explaining this one in short. You will understand. No problem. Work done means force into distance moved
Hmm.
in the direction of force. Can you write here at the top of this page? Work done is, or here you can write in the space you can write. Work done is uh, the force into distance moved in the direction of force. In circular motion, in
In
circular
circular
motion,
motion.
we are not getting any distance moved towards the direction of
We are not getting any distance moved
towards the direction of
towards the direction of
centripetal force.
centripetal force. Hmm.
That's why there is no work done.
That's why there is no work done.
Here, the explanation came and also the answer came. Here, now I'm explaining from the diagram. Look, here the satellite is orbiting, right? The satellite is moving around this earth, right? And there is a center, right, of, of this movement. This
Hmm.
movement is circular motion. So always its force is working in this direction, right?
Hmm.
And its position from the center is always fixed, the distance, right?
Hmm.
Towards the direction of force, it does not change any distance.
Hmm.
That's why there is no work done.
Okay.
Clear now?
Hmm. So, sir, no work done means no energy is affected.
Yeah, that's why it can stay over there for unlimited time. Okay, if it has any work done, then it could fall on the earth, right? Always it stays at the same distance.
Hmm.
Then
Sir,
this, yeah.
is Abhi still in first topic?
Mm-hmm.
Is Abhi still in first topic?
Habib is done with first topic. He is studying second topic.
Oh,
Actually, there he does not have any connection with me in Messenger. Could you please make him connected with me in Messenger?
okay, no
Yesterday,
problem.
I could take his more 30 minutes class, but after the test, uh, he he was not connected with me because I don't know. I sent him in email uh, the invitation for the class again, but he did not join. Again, I called his mother, but he did not join. That's why he needs to be connected with Messenger so that we have prompt communication. Otherwise, we could finish topic 2 yesterday, and then I could give him the worksheet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now uh, one day lost. We have one day lost. Now figure 3.1 astronaut Tuesday. So here you got 56 Newton, right?
Hmm.
Here 160 kg, right? Hmm.
Hmm.
160 kg, yeah, 56 Newton. Then you have the speed at which the astronaut is traveling after 1.2 seconds. 0.42. Huh? Then we have after 3 seconds. uh, yeah, on figure 3.2, sketch the speed time graph for the astronaut for the first 3 seconds of his motion.
Sir, will it be like
So, so,
straight line?
so you did not complete it till 3 seconds.
Um, 3 seconds. So
You did till how much?
2.5.
1.5.
I did till 2.5 I think. Yeah.
At 1.2 is speed is fine, 0.4, right?
Hmm.
It's okay. Mm, here you see, but then it decreases to zero instantly. The resultant force, right? If the resultant force is zero, then acceleration is zero
Hmm.
as a rope becomes slack.
Hmm.
So
Sir, they said instantly, so I
yeah, this
drew
is
the
fine.
line.
It is fine. Um,
So, sir, there is no mistake on that graph one.
yeah, it should be continued to 3 seconds.
There should be flat line, like till 3.
I'm checking. Yeah, it should be constant velocity, right? As he is astronaut, he is in the space, right?
Hmm.
So he should have constant speed after slacking. So it will go straight this way till 3 seconds. Hmm? Why you stop there? 2.5.
Sir, because when they said instantly, so I
Instantly
just
fine. Instantly it is here. 1.2 second, right? But why you stopped here? That's my question. And why you gave this line? And did you think
sir
anything?
because the speed is going to 0, so
Speed, who told you speed is going to zero?
sir decreases to 0. It's written instantly.
But they did not say about speed. They said about resultant force.
Oh, okay.
Resultant force zero means acceleration is zero. Acceleration zero means there was some speed, and as it is in space, uh, there is no other force will work here, right? So the speed already it has, it will continue with that speed, right? According to
Hmm.
Newton's first law. So correct it, huh? Correct it now, otherwise you'll forget. You rub this line, this line, this straight line you rub. This straight line you rub. Then you continue this line till 3 seconds.
So like this.
Yeah, yeah, like this. Till three
Okay.
seconds. Done?
Yes.
Now we are going to down.
Yes, sir.
We are here. Done, right?
Yes.
And you can start the test. After now 5:35, you can start 5:40 or 5:45.
Sir, can you give me 2 minutes? I will join with computer. I'm doing on mobile.
Sorry,
Sir, I want to join with computer. I'm doing it on mobile. So I to take
no
the
problem,
printout of
no
the test.
problem. I will give you time for test. Uh, so why you want to take time?
Hmm?
I, I will give you 10 minutes to revise.
Hmm.
I want to give you the test paper at 5:45. That time
Yes,
you
sir.
go to computer, you go anywhere, no problem. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So is it fine if you start 5:45?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
And
Fine.
here you are getting 40 marks test paper.
Okay.
It is taking 1 hour.
Hmm.
So 6:45 it will be formal time, but you are getting extra 10 minutes. You will submit by 6:55. Okay,
Hmm.
clear to
Hmm.
you?
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you, thank you. So I will send you at sharp 5:45. Okay, by this time you revise. Thank you. Huh?
Yes.
And
Okay. Okay.
today after the test over, you will just send me today no more class. Huh?
Hmm.
Today no more class. I will just upload tomorrow the worksheet on mass weight density. Okay,
Hmm.
you will try to solve that one. It is very easy.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you.